So today we'll be finding out if it's possible to connect the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro headphones to your iPhone using the dongle. Okay. Now, obviously, this phone does not have a USB-A port, so we're going to be using this OTG adapter with a Type-C connector, and then we're going to be plugging it in to the iPhone. So when you plug it in for the first time, it's obviously going to ask you, are you connecting a pair of headphones? So let's select headphones, and then once that is connected, you turn on the headphones and they seem to be connected. You can see there's a steady light on the headphones. Let's play some music and see. So I'm gonna put them on, and they're actually connected. They're connected and they're working, and actually do get higher quality audio when playing via the dongle. Now, obviously, this is not convenient by any means. It's not even practical to do that, but it works in case you're wondering. Thanks for watching and good luck.